cepat dapat kereta.
Yalah, salesman tadi tolong kita dapat kan.
Serius lah, I surprise lah Hussein pilih Saga. Why makes you pilih Saga di end?
The price was nice, minyak jimat, mampu milik lah the price.
Hussein, you orang muda takkan you pilih kereta based on harga, based on maintenance.
Yelah, kereta ni cantik apa.
Okay, apa yang you suka sangat pasal dia punya styling?
I don't know, dia tak ada nampak too basic. Dia ada a bit of tiny details here and there. And then interior dia pun cantik.
Okay, boleh pakai. Anyway, tadi you bawa naik jana baik ni. Macam mana? Driving dia okay?
Handling dia sedap. Untuk harga, I don't think you can get a car yang handling dia sama macam ni lah.
Tak sangka kan?
Tak sangka. It's unexpected.
You dah bawa macam-macam kereta kan? Harga macam ni, handling macam ni, macam mana? You rasa?
I rasa berbaloi sangat.
Tapi kan ayah kan, tadi test drive dekat showroom dah dapat 5 minit je. 5 to 10 minit. Sebenarnya kereta ni dah test drive at least 20 tahun kot. Not this car, tapi you punya.
Kalau macam tu, kira test drive ni sebenarnya 40 tahun lah, tambah lagi 20 tahun I punya. Sebab Tok Wan pun pakai kereta ni juga. Saya daripada 1985. I dah merasa kereta ni. Tahun ni 40 tahun kereta ni kan? 20 tahun you, 20 tahun you. Jom. Sen, aku kata dia cerita sikit pasal dia punya handling. Kalau nak kena cerita kat kawan ni kan lah. Ferhat dah tanya, dia kata kan, macam mana lah kereta Saga tu Sen, nampak macam leceh buat kereta tu.
I don't know lah, but to me, when I go into corners, right, it doesn't feel like this car nak melambung ke apa ke, you know, or it's gonna understeer.
Semalam kan jalan kan macam basah-basah kan.
It didn't worry me. Dia tak rasa macam this car is going to slip up tau. So when you go into corners kan, it's stable lah. It's very stable. On the wet roads pun I tak rasa macam risau sangat. And I think the suspension is good. You tak rasa that the car is gonna do something weird, you know. To me, I think this is a perfect car lah.
Perfect untuk siapa?
Perfect for someone like me, you know, someone young. They want to get their first car. And also I like the screen, the buttons on the steering wheel. Makes it easier for everything.
Dia punya power okey lah, power dia.
Dia punya power is perfect lah. You nak masuk corners pun power dia cukup. Atas highway pun cukup. You boleh keep up with other cars.
Dia rasa kalau long distance macam mana kereta ni?
I think it should be great because kerusi dia pun comfortable. Dia tak keras sangat. Aircon dia sejuk.
Untuk orang muda kan, Proton Saga ni dia ada macam, ada maksud tak kat you? Ada meaning tak kat kereta Proton Saga?
I think it only will have a meaning once you buy it and try it.
Maksudnya macam kalau masa Tok Wan pakai dulu, dia beli Proton Saga ni sebab dia rasa bangga tau. Dia beli kereta yang orang Malaysia buat.
On the road sekarang kan banyak I tengok Proton Saga. There's a lot of Proton Saga here and there. But I don't know if they are proud of, you know, driving a Proton Saga, where it came from, what's the story. Yeah, so I never knew Proton Saga was a Malaysian punya pride car. So I just knew it yesterday. Masa you guys borak kan. Now I dah rasa, I know how it feels. Tak boleh kutuk dah lah.
Okay.